Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are welcome to First State Immigrant Solution. I still remain your anchor man, Anthony. So in case if you never subscribe, I just click on this subscribe button. So I just come here, I can give you now the second part of this video where I can drop before, which means Carta Soggiorno Lungo Periodo for Unione Europea. So how will fit apply for this Carta Soggiorno? So if in case you never watch my first video where I first drop, una host from part 1 start before una come this part 2. So the last time I stopped for this, the yearly income where you will get before you still apply. And this yearly income, they can break am into different category where I want to explain for this video. So one of the category be say, if one person they apply, he need to get minimum of 5,889 euro, but because of say na abbreviation is dey close to 6,000, and they always dey use the abbreviation pattern, say the person go get 6,000 euro. So if the person get wife and if they apply for this Carta Soggiorno, so the wife no dey work, na only him dey work. So the work wey he dey work, he must take care of 2 persons. So because of that, you go still get the one we go fit take carry 2 persons. So if you be married person, you go get reach about 9,000 euro approximation. So if the person get good or yearly income or annual income, which is up to about 9,000, if you apply for 2 persons, which is wife, husband and wife. So if they can't get pikin, husband and wife with children wey you know say e dey under age, e go get reach almost 12,000 approximately, which is about 11,000 plus. So approximately 12,000 for that one. Then if you still get husband and wife with 2 children, you go get almost about 15,000 euro. Then if you still get husband and wife with 3 children, you go get about close to 17,000 or 18,000 euro. Then if you can still get about husband and wife with 4 children, you go get reach 20,611 euro 50 cents. Then if you come pass that 4 children, you come pass 5 children, at the end of the day, from 5 and above, you go get reach 23,556 euro. So now that one na be the highest credit wey you need to get before you fit apply. So in case if you know say your last year income, you dey apply for this year, the credit of last year wey you get, which your income as so, and you make sure say if you no reach this amount wey I measure, so no bother to apply, because they go refuse am. May not be like say you go waste your money. So another thing be say, where you fit apply for this document. How to apply for this document? Either you go any syndicate or you go carry kit for post office. And if you carry kit for post office, how much be the things where you pay? Now I want to break down for this video. So the things where you still put for, where you still pay. Now one, if you pay tax where they apply for this Carta Soggiorno, the tax now 100 euro. Now you pay for the tax. Then when you take the apply for Carta Soggiorno for this electronics, so they'll still collect 30 euro 46 cents from you. Then now they'll still collect, when you take post the kit, they'll still collect 30 euro from you. You understand? But if you still pay for another one that they call marca di bollo of 16 euro. At the end of the day, you go submit am. So wetin will cost you for everything go be 176 euro 46 cents. So that 46 come out for the electronics wey you pay, which is 30 euro 46 cents. So now there the 46 euro for come out. So everything will come be 176 euro 46 cents. So now that one be the things wey you get. Then any other people wey you know say they not still get the requirement, more than no bother to apply, because if una still apply, una will fit get refusal. So anybody wey you know say he get crime Then another thing wey you still do, you still go bring document wey you go carry come for your this thing procurer, which is the procurer wey you for get resident. Na that crime record, na there you for still go bring that one. And if you go bring that crime record for where you for get resident for procurer, you make sure say wetin dey write for this crime record, which is the Caselário Judiciário. That Caselário Judiciário, which is the crime record, wetin dey write put say nulla, which means nothing dey, you no get any crime. But if they don't write nulla put, say they come write say you get case, you go the nearest any lawyer wey know say e dey in charge of crime, so or any other cases wey go fit help you fight or cancel the crime for ground before you apply. Because if that Caselário Judiciário they no write nulla put, you no fit apply because they go refuse am. Because to cancel those case wey you first get for ground, na that one be the process of rehabilitation. So the rehabilitation be say na be person wey e first get crime, and the crime after they don condemn the person, they don serve am jail terms. If they don serve the person jail terms, so that person mean say e don change from bad to good. And if they don't change from bad to good and he don't repent, then the same judge will give am that jail sentence after he don't pay all the jail sentence, or he pay the fine wey they still give am for the jail. If you don't pay am, they go wipe the case comot from am if he apply. But if you never pay am, you no fit apply. And most cases be say anybody wey get jail terms from a year upwards, so most of them they always dey get this problem well because of say some people dey now they get jail terms wey they sentence for them. Because of say the jail terms dey less than a year, they no carry them go jail. They feel say they no get crime. That crime don already dey there. So na only Caselário Judiciário go fit bring that crime come out. So na this video wey I just explain small, so if I wan talk about this rehabilitation again, so na broad topic because e get the numbers of years wey the person go fit stay, wey e no see do any crime again before they totally wipe am away. Most of the times e dey reach 3 years. So I go do topic on this rehabilitation again when I fit explain am well to una, so that una understand am well. So all these documents wey you don get, so after you don submit am, so you wait before you get your document. Most of the time, because of this thing, from 4 months upwards to a year or a year and a half, because of this period of coronavirus, so the thing fit still delay. So una no fear say the thing get problem, na just a matter of say the people wey dey apply dey many. And if you know say you never apply, and you know say your permit of stay e don reach 5 years wey they take give you your first permit of stay, you fit apply. And all these things wey I don list from my first video, which is the Carta Sojourno Longo Periodo part 1 and this second part, if you get all these requirements, if you submit am, you will get your permanent permit of stay. And this permanent permit of stay, you are heading towards to citizenship. So this one is the last permit of stay. That's why they call it permanent. So e no dey expire, because the only expire wey dey expire now if you want still change your picture wey dey the Carta Sojourno. And I will still do video the reason why the city they collect this permit of stay. I'll still do video for that one. So, and the only reason why go fit make the city say this permit of stay will first give you, will not fit give you again. I will still do video again about this permit of stay, how long you fit stay reach for outside Europe or outside Italy. So I'll still do video for that. So more than not forget to share this video, more than not forget to subscribe. So just click on hitting the subscribe button, so that we will come here, come to tell us the truth. And the money where I tell you so, now you're supposed to pay. If anybody they tell you any other money outside this one, you know say no be the right money wey government talk say make we pay, na be that. So make I no forget, I still remain una boy Anthony. Subscribe to First Aid Immigrant Solution. Una bye bye.